Hey, what's up guys? This is Forever Falcon 40. Just a brief walkthrough on a service and some work I did on an 18 horsepower Briggs and Stratton Vanguard. For my job, my main gig, I am a heavy duty diesel mechanic by trade. And they found out that I do small engine work after 5 or 6 years. So guess who's in charge of all the maintenance and repairs on the small stuff, as well as my other responsibilities? This guy. So we've had this maybe for about 3-4 years. This thing has never been serviced. So I started off at ground zero. I ordered 2 new plugs. Got one on this side. It's dark in here, but you can see one on the other side. Yep, see, 18 horsepower Vanguard. Cool thing about the newer Briggs is that your model number to your engine is right here. You take your cell phone, you scan it, and it'll pop it up automatically through a link online. Now, just in case this does get ripped off, when I was servicing the machine, this is your air filter, your pre-filter. With the paint marker, I put it all right there. So God forbid anything happens in the field or sticker disappears, we're not left blind and to guess. And now all of this stuff fails. Usually on a Briggs, I deal with a lot smaller stuff. Right by the exhaust, there's a front engine cover, and it's actually etched into the engine cover, but due to the way this thing is installed, that's not visible. We'll probably have to get a mirror or separate the machine, but not a bad thing. You just tighten these down. Please, when you tighten these, please make sure that they're symmetrical. It drives me nuts for some reason. So, yeah, so I started from ground zero. 2 new spark plugs. I asked for an hour meter. Hopefully these guys pay attention to it. It's supposed to flash every 25 hours. So I wrote down for the guys 1.5 quarts every 25 hours. We're going to do an oil filter every 50 hours. Complete tune-up at 100 hours. These are the part numbers here. Air filter, pre-filter, and then over here I did the oil filter as well. So hopefully we'll get some good service out of this. I plan on probably doing a valve adjustment every 100 hours. The website said to clean the exhaust. Really don't feel that's necessary on this. It's probably gonna live a good life on the inside of this. It's really just balls to the walls or nothing. There isn't really any idle time on here because this powers the air compressor for the truck as well as our starzall to jump the trucks. So, I mean, I had this machine running for a little bit just to make sure this all works, and you can see we're already at 0.1. You can tell that this is reading when this is solid. I'm gonna fire this up, so excuse the noise. We're gonna see if this is gonna start to flash so we know it's reading. So let's do half throttle. So I tried to make this as clean as possible with what we have here. Stuck it right here. Hopefully it doesn't break because you guys are reckless. Wrapped the coil around here. Grounded it to the engine over here. They just wire loomed it up. Obviously this is 2 separate pieces. One runs all the way here, down here, and then this one I teed off here, and I kind of tied it all in with electrical tape. Try and make this, you know, as clean as possible. Professional manner. I really believe take the extra minute to do clean work. It just shows a lot about you. Oh, sorry, I had to get off the truck. So yeah, any questions? Feel free to comment if you found this video helpful. Part numbers, put them in the comments. Please like and subscribe to my page for more small engine related repair videos. Later.